Hello, this is Gerald from Kolitz. Welcome back. And today I would like to talk about the chart and why we are using monthly charts. It's quite obvious why we are using monthly charts because when we have a monthly option, 30 days to 40 days, so it's the monthly chart is the best because then we see what's going on. We know when it closes, we can start an option for 30 days and we can predict um, yes, predict the next monthly bar because we know close, we know the high, we know the open, and we know the low. No? We look here in this chart from Kimberly Clark. This is the monthly chart in June, and yeah, really nice. And we can set our strike price to around about 93 if it is possible and brings us also premium. But sometimes what I'm doing is because sometimes it's not clear what happens in the monthly chart. Then I really go to 3 months, and I like 3 months more and more because it gives really a nice view of what's going on. So we see here the situation. We make higher highs here. So we have here this move, and then we up and here, and this was the break of structure. In a 3 month chart means okay. Um, Situation is different. I don't know what's going on in this company. A lot of people like this company because it's stable, it earns money, it has a nice dividend, $1.28. That's nice. But we have here a little bit of break of structure, so I'm not sure what's going on and why. Um, it can happen that we have a different sideway action when we move on to this and here. So over the last years, let's say over the last 10 years already, so we are moving sideways, really interesting approach. We have also this strong up move we are testing right now in the super trend. And we have a green bar, so let's say in the last quarter, this quarter is now have now tested back this level of 117. But this is not so important. Important is more that also on the 3 months level we see really nice signals, green bars, which gives um, ideas and also potential trading opportunities because sometimes it happens that when we have a green bar here, we have not to trade um, the whole 3 months. We can also trade months per month when it makes sense. Uh, because we are supported by this quarterly bar. This is yeah in Kimberly Clark. It is only an example because I have to open this. The issue is that we will not get really nice premium at 93 because yeah, there is too less option interest. But when we go to our short like ATF AV, here's a lot, and we have the same situation. We have a 3 months candle. We have okay three months candle in a row, which are performing quite well. And that's the reason why I'm interested in strike price 115, 116, 115, because this is the green bar of the quarter. And when we, let's say, when we really move down to 116, 115, would be this a nice entry point, I guess, for this quarter. And that is the reason why um, this could be interesting also to have a look into the 3 month chart. Yeah, so we see here so a long sideway action. Now we shot out like crazy. Now we are consolidated back. We filled this fair value gap. Yeah, and now it's nothing happens. But important to know, from time to time, look at the 3 month chart. Sometimes I'm also looking at the 6 month chart to have a feeling what could happen, what's the situation, um, and yeah, and what could happen next. Yeah, that's it for now. Yeah, higher time frames are good, I guess, for option sellers, or should put sellers, because it gives us nice strike prices and it gives us a good overview, because we do not want to operate. It's my mantra. Maybe it's the wrong word, but we do not want to operate directly at um, at the price of a stock, of an ETF, but you want to operate, let's say, on really interesting levels, and interesting levels are mostly opening and closing on monthly charts, 3 months, 6 months, maybe a year, because this is something what also big guys, in my opinion, have yeah, taking into consideration. So yeah, when it makes sense, that's for sure. Okay, because 12 months is a little bit long, but 3 months I like, because this is something good to handle. Okay, that's all for now. Short video. Nothing special happened right now in the market. We are really slow motion summertime. Uh, I have also the feeling that the volatility moves out, at least the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days. We are moving sideways in a really small range. Maybe tomorrow, with inflation data, we get a breakout, or breakdown. Uh, yes, that's it for now. I wish you a good evening and see you tomorrow.